Okay, let's get started. We need to prepare a baking pan. If you don't have baking pan, you may use lanera or anything stainless container. Okay, first you must spread a little bit oil to that baking pan and then pour 1½ cups glutinous flour. Yes. Ayan ang arte natin. Yan. And then next, pour some 1 cup of rice flour. You must use a pack or nakapack or nakasachet na rice flour and glutinous flour. And then pour some 3/4 cup and 1/8 cups of sugar. If you don't like sweet chocolate TIKOY, you may less the sugar amount. Okay. And then pour some salt and cocoa powder, unsweetened cocoa powder. About the salt, it is optional. You don't need to use that. You don't need to add it if you don't have in your kitchen. Yes, I was using the unsweetened cocoa. That is why I use. If you think the sugar is too much, for me it's enough because the cocoa powder I was used was unsweetened. Then about the adding of water, you must pour gradually while mixing the dry ingredients. Okay. Naintindihan nyo ba? Wala lang, nagtatry lang ako mag-English para sa mga hindi Pilipino. Oo. Kasi may mga ibang nagre-request na ibang bansa na mag-English daw ako. Ayan. Then after you mix that, you need to put a little bit amount of instant coffee. Yes, but it's still optional. But for me, adding instant coffee is more tasty. Yes. It has a strong taste. Then cook it with steamer. Yes. It must the water already boiling. Yes, then steam it for 30 minutes. Ayan, barok-barok na tayo. Putik na yan para sa mga nanonood na outside Philippines. Shout out sa inyo. Dumudugo ng ilong ko. Ayan. And then, after 30 minutes, you must let it cool down so you won't get hurt. Yes. Kailangan palabagin niya, mapapaso ka. And then, ayan, prepare the breadcrumbs. And by the way, I forgot to save the video of how to assemble the chocolate TIKOY balls. That is why you do not see anything about assembling the chocolate TIKOY balls. Yes, but for me, I know you can do it. I know you knew how to assemble it. Just take some half tablespoon of chocolate TIKOY, then put it to the breadcrumbs and roll it on your palm so you can stick the breadcrumbs to the TIKOY balls. Yan. Once the cooking oil was already hot, yan, you may fry the chocolate TIKOY balls. Yes. And make sure you must fry it with medium high heat. Yes, because if you fry it with low heat, it may pop. Yes. Oo. I-upload ko talaga to. Walang pakialam kung laitin niya yung English ko, putik. Ang hirap mag-English Ang hirap mag-English. Naku, nakakabarok ang barok ng English ko. Walang pakialam. Basta maunawaan lang ng iba. Ayan. Once it's get golden brown or golden sunog, just like golden sunog because of our chocolate TIKOY color, you must remove it from the hot oil, of course. Yan, that's how it look like after you cooked it. I mean, that is the finished product of our chocolate TIKOY balls. Oh my God, do you understand what I'm saying, mga madam? my God, my nose is still bleeding. Ganito ata ang nagiging resulta kapag nahahack ang Facebook page. Ay, Diyos ko po. Idaan na lang sa kagaguhan. Yung pagkahack ng page natin, mga madam. Ayan. That is how it looks like when you eat it. Yes. It is too delicious and too tasty, and I know that most of kids will love this because my daughter already proved it because he ate 20 pieces of it in one sitting. Yes. Okay, goodbye. Barok-barok tayo.